A lot of times it brings about both types of feelings. कभी कभी ये भी फील होता है कि यार मैं तो अपने फादर जितना अच्छा या मदर जितना अच्छा हो ही नहीं सकता. कभी ये फीलिंग आती है यार मैं तो बहुत कर रहा हूँ यार, मेरे माँ बाप ने क्यों नहीं किया इतना मेरे लिए. तो ये दोनों तरीके की फीलिंग्स आ सकती है और दोनों गलत नहीं है, क्योंकि आपके कंट्रोल में ना आपके अवेयरनेस में उनके सर्कमस्टांसेस हैं. उनके क्या सर्कमस्टांसेस थे वो सिर्फ वही जान सकते हैं.
आपको कुछ आइडिया नहीं है
वो
उसका.
उनकी कॉन्शियंस है, उनकी जर्नी है, उनकी डेस्टिनी है. Like the nicest saying for me is that if somebody is like I won't be able to say it well, but मैं उसकी main thought समझा देता हूँ. That if somebody is being mean, let them be mean, be nice anyways. If somebody is being rude, let them be rude, be nice anyways. If somebody is being selfish, let them be selfish, be kind anyways. Because eventually it was not between you and them, it was between you and him. सबका अपना रजिस्टर खुलेगा ब्रो ऊपर जाके. कोई ये नहीं पूछेगा कि उसने ये किया तो तुमने ऐसे क्यों किया. वो डायरेक्ट यही पूछेगा कि तुमने ऐसे क्यों किया. तुम्हें मुझे जवाब देना है. सो whether you want to call it God, whether you want to call it your own conscience, whatever you want to call it, right? Whatever resonates with you, whatever is your belief system. But if you feel that there is accountability, fundamentally, there is accountability. There is some relationship between action and reaction, and there is some relationship between what we do and who we become, or what we do and what we get. Fundamentally, it could be 5 lifetimes later. That's not the question I'm asking, But do you believe fundamentally, or is there just chaos? This is a fundamental question we should ask ourselves. Everything, is there chaos or is there order? Because if there is order, then that order will be absolute order.
Yeah.
Nothing can exist in like that. And if there is chaos, then everything is just chaos. It doesn't matter what you do. What you do and what you get is completely unrelated. Right? That's one way of looking at life. If you go to the extreme of it, right? One way of looking at it is by saying there is complete order. I don't understand it because I am in it. I am not outside it. But there is complete order because I sense it, right? So my brain tells me there is. Let's not say brain. Brain usually gives you rubbish answers. My instinct, my
soul, my heart, my body,
my consciousness, my awareness makes me feel very strongly there is. So they will have to answer the same God that you will have to answer in your time. तो अपना देखो bro.
So अपना
बाकी लोग का टेंशन मत लो, अपना देख लो. You know what I'm saying?
आपने बोला मेल प्रेजेंस के